What is forward head posture? So the head, believe it or not, weighs 10 to 12 pounds. It's the same weight as a bowling ball. And that head is sitting on the end of a highly flexible column, the neck. So when the head is in its normal position, the ear, the whole of the ear, should be sitting right over the shoulder. That's the normal head position. And if that ear is forward of the shoulders, that's called forward head posture. And the significance of that is now you have a 10 to 12 pound weight, like essentially a bowling ball, sitting on the end of this highly flexible column that's sitting forward and starts to put a lot of strain across the upper back, across the neck, can trigger the person into headaches, can trigger the person into neck and shoulder pain, so jaw issues. So it's very important to treat that. Now, interestingly, we find this commonly with scoliosis. Why? Because of the abnormal flat back. So when the person has a flat back as a compensation, the head often moves forward, and it's a way of the body dealing with it. So yes, it's an important part of scoliosis treatment. Forward head posture can be effectively treated through exercises. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.